Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page with extra puzzles. And those puzzles are we have a 2 stars Sudoku. It's indicated with 3 stars. Again, a 2 stars Sudoku, but it's indicated with 3 stars. It has 26, both has 26 printed digits. We have a killer Sudoku and the tectonic. Binary puzzle with 10 by 10. Another binary puzzle. Half of these puzzles, 4 of them, I will solve 2 in the evening, tonight. Let me start with this one. Still go with 2 stars, or with 3 stars. No, let me start with this one then. With 3 stars. Sudoku with 3 stars. Okay. Number 65701. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one told you 26 printed digits. 26. And if you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Sudoku, well, it's actually a 2 stars instead of a 3 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Which number can I pick? How about? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Well, we have a 9 in this row and a 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now, need to wait. Alright. 8, 8. Okay. 4, 4. Let me scan. 2, 2. Oh, yeah, 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. No. 6, 6. Right. 1, 1, 1. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in the last column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 3 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers. In this third row, 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this big square, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then these 2 missing numbers in the third row are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. And the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. 2, 2. We have a pair. We have a pair. The 2 and the 6 in this column. The 2 and the 6 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 3 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 6, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Okay. 7, 7, 7. That means we need a 7 here. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in this box. So in this column, we need a 7. Here, these two are reserved for the 2 and the 6. Here can be a 7. So the 7 in this column could be here or there. Then we have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Right. Right. Oh, let me. Yeah. All right. Okay. Still, my hay fever continues here. 2 missing numbers here. I believe the 1 and the 5 here. Yeah. 1, 5, and 8 is missing here. All right. 1, 1. 6, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, no need 2 places left for the 6 to be here. Or there, we see a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Now I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. 5, 5, 5, 5. Alright. 7. Interesting. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. So 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. That means we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. The 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. So we have a pair, the 8 and the 9 in the first row, the 8 and the 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. A 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Well, this box can be 3 missing numbers in this first column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 1. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a pair, the 7 and the 5 in this third column, the 7 and the 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 5 goes there. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in this box. Here, 5 in that row. So no 5 in this box. So one box left for the 5 in this big square. Shoot there. Two missing numbers now in this big square. For number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and an 8. It goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in middle row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1. Should be there. A 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Because those 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 6. Okay. So we have a 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the column next, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Here we have a 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5. Well, need to wait. Cannot fill this yet. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, and the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column be 3. No, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be and there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 1 box left. Oh, well, 2 boxes left in this big square for the most. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. And a 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 to 5, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. 2 missing numbers here. 5 and 8. 5 and 8 are missing. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. The 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 4 to 5, we have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have a 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Whoa. We solve again, and I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.